Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to scan the QR code in your PC, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the very first thing you need to have is the QR code itself. If you have the picture, you may go ahead and send it in your WhatsApp, connect your WhatsApp in your PC, and then save that photo. For some reasons, you will need to have that photo in your PC saved. So once the photo is saved in your PC, you will have to launch a web browser and at the top search bar type in QR Reader Online. You will see a page like this. Here you can go ahead and choose a file. Now simply go ahead and select a picture. This is my Wi-Fi QR code. Click Open. Once it is so, copy text to clipboard. And likewise, the password has been copied. You may go ahead and now paste it in your Wi-Fi while you are connecting. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.